Welcome. Before we begin, good falafel is a texture story, crisp outside, green and tender inside, with herbs that taste fresh rather than buried. The pita then has to carry all of that with enough sauce and brightness, but never too much weight.
Step 1. Drain 1.5 cups dried chickpeas that have been soaked overnight. Pulse them with 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup mixed parsley and cilantro, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon salt, and ½ teaspoon baking powder. Step 2. Pulse until the mixture is coarse but shapeable. Falafel should never become a smooth puree. The interior needs texture and enough green life from the herbs to stay vivid after frying. Step 3. If needed, add 1 to 2 tablespoons flour to help the mixture hold. Then shape into small balls or patties.
Step 4. Fry the falafel until deep golden and crisp outside. Then drain well. The center should stay green and tender rather than dense. Step 5. Fry color matters. You want a crust that speaks clearly, but not a dark shell that tastes tired. Falafel should come out crisp, aromatic, and still alive inside.
Step 6. Make tahini sauce with 1/3 cup tahini, lemon juice, garlic, water, and salt until smooth and spoonable. Step 7. Build the pita with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, pickles, falafel, and tahini, but keep the sandwich balanced. Falafel should stay the heart of the wrap, not disappear under the garnish. Step 8. Serve while the falafel is still warm and crisp and the vegetables are still cool and fresh against the pita. Final step. Split 1 falafel and look at the inside. If it is green, textured, and fragrant beneath the crisp shell, then the pita has the right foundation.